Good afternoon everyone. I am Vrushali, Assistant Professor IT Department. In my last video, we learned about wireframing technique as well as prototyping techniques. I have mentioned the link of all those videos in my below description box. In this video, I will explain the model view controller in human computer interaction. So let's see what is meant by MVC, that is model view controller. Next. Following points are covered in this video, which includes what is model view controller, their components, examples and benefits by using MVC. So let's see one by one. The first point is what is meant by model view controller. Next. Okay. So what is meant by model view controller? We all are familiar with this word. We know about model, we know about view and also a controller. So the model view controller is an architectural pattern that separates an application into the three main logical components. While develop a model by using software development lifecycle, there are three main important architectural patterns and the components of that the model, the view and the controller. So by using all those components, model view controller, this architectural pattern will be designed. Each of these components are built to handle a specific development aspects of an application. MVC is one of the most frequently used industry standard web development framework to create scalable and extensible projects. So MVC is nowadays used in industries also. See in this diagram, the model is connected to the controller and controller is connected to the view, again in reverse format. So model means simply a database, controller means there is communication between model and the view. How exactly these components are work, we will learn next. So the first component of model view controller is, first component is model. Now what is meant by model? A model component corresponds to all the data related to the logic that user works with. Okay? This can be represented a central component, either the data that is being transferred between the view and the controller components or any other business logic related data. Simply, model means database. Only programmer, developer, database analyst use this kind of model only. Customer doesn't use the model. Okay. So as per the requirements, customer have the authentication to use the database. The examples is customer object will retrieve the customer information from the database, manipulate it, update it, data back to the database or use it to render data. Means all the manipulations or operations like select, insert, then update, delete. This kind of operations are performed on the model or on the database. So database is backend part. Model always work in backend. Customers does not know about the database or the information stored in database. As per the requirements, customer access the data, right? So this is the concept of model. Next. The next component of model view controller is view. The view component is used for all the UI logic of the application, that is user interface logic. View can be output representation of information such as charts, diagrams, etc. In database, there are different types of informations are stored, right? So this information are viewed by using some charts or in tabular format or in data diagrams, etc. So show multiple view of same information such as bar charts, pie charts, tabular view, ratio, etc. So view, this belongs to the user part or customer part, right? Customer view all the essential information only. The examples are, customer view will include all the user interface components such as text box, drop downs, buttons, etc. So final user interacts with view component, right? Suppose there is a particular form, there are two types of buttons are stored, that is save button or cancel button. So when you click on the save button, the data will be saved in database, right? So user interact only in save button. How this button will be work and what types of codings will be there, these things are not related to the user. This is completely a model part, right, or background part. So user interacts with the output representation or front view only. Clear? Next. The next and last component of MVC is controller. So controller simply means there is interface between the model and view component. It processes all the business logic, incoming request and manipulate the data. By using the model component and interact with the views to render the final output. See in this diagram, view means customer or user. User interact with database using the controller. Through database, we will show the result by using the controller. So controller is middleware between the model and the view, right? The examples are the customer controller will handle all the interaction and input from the customer view and update the database using the customer model. The same controller will be also used to view the customer data, right? So see in this diagram, view means user, okay? The output representation or the output of particular application, that is view or front view. Controller means interface between the user and the database, okay? And model means database simply. Clear? So this is the concept of MVC architecture. Next. Now there are some applications or examples of model view controller. In real life, we also use model view controller architecture. See in this diagram, model means database. So this model stored all the student list, times and place, topic list, etc. Okay? And view means user. Suppose students download a document. So student interact with the controller. Okay? Controller means a particular teacher, that is student change, in class change, type place change, etc. Controller handle the user as well as model, okay, because this is the interface between the model and the user or view, okay. Controller update all the data from the model and model shows all the data to the user or interface. So this is a combined template with the list to create the new documents, okay. See in this diagram, view means by using mobiles, laptops, tablets, etc. Okay. So view means just front screen, that is view. Model means the behind model, that there are different types of hardware components, database are used. This is called as model. And controller means the connection or middleware between the view and the model, right. See in this diagram, user, suppose user search a particular topic on the Google or they enter the URL, okay. So browser requests to the controller to access data from the database, right, and controller access all the data and responds to the browser, and browser shows all the information to the user. So behind that there is model view controller. This architecture is used, right. So these are the applications of model view controller. So simply, view means front view, model means behind part or database, and controller means middleware. The request response protocol are used by the controller. Controller take a request and give the response, right. Next. Now the benefits of model view controller. Logical clustering of related acts on any controller can be achieved through model view controller. All the logical related data are handled by model view controller architecture. Various developers can work at the same time on different parts of same application. So at that time, controller, model and view, this type of parts are used. Model view controller, models can have numerous views. This framework is useful for developing a desktop, mobile application and web developments, etc. Right? So this is the complete concept of model view controller. See in this diagram, user uses by using controller, they manipulate data from the database, right? They update data and they view the updated data from the controller or by the user, right? So this is the complete looping structure or framework. Next. So hope so you understood the concept regarding model view controller. Keep practicing. Thank you.